The standard Gibbs free energy change for the reaction 2AB forming A2 plus B2 is 11.8 kilojoule at 230 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. Calculate the degree of dissociation of HI at 230 Kelvin. The equation for the dissociation of HI is also the same. 2HI dissociates to form H2 plus I2. So whatever is the degree of dissociation for 2AB, same will be the degree of dissociation for HI. Now this is the reaction and let the degree of dissociation be alpha. Degree of dissociation alpha means out of 1 mole alpha moles will be dissociated. Now here in the reaction there are 2 moles of AB. So if out of 1 mole alpha mole dissociates, then when alpha mole dissociates, alpha by 2 moles of A2 and alpha by 2 moles of B2 is formed and remaining AB is 1 minus alpha. But in this case there are 2 moles of AB. So multiplying all these quantities by 2 into alpha by 2, we get the remaining AB is 2 into 1 minus alpha. A2 formed is alpha, B2 formed is alpha. So expression for K will be product of the concentration of the products at equilibrium, that is alpha into alpha, divided by concentration of the reactant present at equilibrium. So this is 2 into 1 minus alpha and raised to the power which is equal to the stoichiometric coefficient. So the expression for K is A2 B2 divided by AB raised to the power 2, and these are the concentrations of A2, B2 and AB. Putting the values, we get this expression for K. Now value of delta G is given and delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. Delta G is given in kilojoules, so converting it into joules, multiply it by 1000. So 11.8 into 1000 is equal to minus 2.303 multiplied by value of R. Value of R is 8.314. Temperature is 230 Kelvin into log K. From this solving for log K, the value of log K is minus 2.679. So value of K will be anti-log of K, that is anti-log minus 2.679, which is equal to 0.00209. So K is equal to 0.00209. So here 0.00209 is equal to alpha into alpha divided by 2 into 1 minus alpha, entire thing raised to the power 2. Solving this becomes